Hello everyone, today I will show you how to combine columns in Google Sheet. Open your Google Sheet. Now click on this Google Sheet column serial number and select whole column. Now selected and click on this Mars option. You can Mars all, you can Mars vertically. First I will show you Mars vertically. Select OK and Mars vertically show you. And now select Mars all and see this. You can watch multiple columns at once and all columns and dragging your mouse select multiple columns. Now click on the mouse option. I will mark horizontally and see this horizontally was showing here. Also I will mark all cells and see this. In this way you can mark multiple columns or specific columns. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.